Hello. So today we are going to see how to register for Goethe Syndrome examinations in Cochin and Trivandrum. So you can see all the terms and conditions that is given, and at the end you can see the details of the upcoming examinations. That is at 12th September at 11 a.m. So right now you have to wait for this time, this exact time. Then you can log into the same site and register for the exam. But before that, one of the important things is to create a profile. So to create a profile, first you have to click on login, then click on sign up now and give all the details, first name, last name, email. Just gonna put a random digit just to show you. And you find the password and click on sign up. And once you do this, you will get a mail in your Gmail account, and go to Gmail, then click on this link. It will redirect into Goethe Centrum main login. Again, enter the same user ID, password, click on sign in, and again you go to the profile, and you have to enter all the details, like you have to upload a profile picture and your name, last name, email ID, mobile number, purpose of education. And while entering this, you have to be very careful because all these details you give, like passport number, everything will be checked while we are going for examination. So if that is false, then it will be a problem. And you can verify the details here and click on submit. Then you have to confirm that the same details will be printed on your certificate. So whatever you enter here, you have to enter very carefully. Otherwise, the details will not be matching with your certificate. And once you go to exam section, our exams. Now select which center you want, Trivandrum or Kochi. And in that, you have to select the date. Now the next exam is on October 14th. So click on that, register for exam. See, it's showing now registration is completed because it's not open yet. It will be open on 12th September at morning 11 a.m. So if you come on that date, you can complete the payment and that will be done. Thank you.